Okay, let's let him go over there first. He has went on the other side. Okay, let's see if he's gonna come back. Of course he's gonna come over that way from here. He's coming back. Turning around. Yep, he's coming. Oh, he's turning backing up again. Yep, he's coming. I can hear it. Yep, it's getting louder. There it is.
Okay, Jojo.
Hello.
Hi, what do you want?
Can I get a small,
Oh, I see.
yeah,
Yeah, what flavor?
small, watermelon.
Huh?
Small watermelon.
Watermelon?
Yeah.
That's it? Only watermelon?
Let me go see if Now wants
Huh?
something. Let me go see if Now wants something.
Okay.
And then a Jolly Rancher cup.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Gonna be $3. Okay. Oh, here, hold this. I got you $2 back, okay?
Okay.
Here, $2.
Okay.
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 There you go. Oh, you got it, Jojo?
Yeah.
Take careful. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, you're here? I didn't notice.
Hi. Nacho.
Hi, can you hold this?
Nacho?
Yeah.
Jalapeno?
Yeah, extra jalapeno.
Extra jalapeno?
Oh, what?
That'll be $4, okay?
Okay. $4. You pay yours already?
Yeah.
Oh. What are you doing?
Yeah, hold it. I can't.
That's for Nas?
Yeah.
God, no.
Oh my God, I think
We
this
buying
thing.
some Nah, man.
Now wanted something.
Just how much?
I know. I want to go walking.
There you go.
Oh my God, so much jalapeno.
Anything else?
I want extra jalapeno.
Yeah, for what? You like jalapeno?
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you, bye. Let's go.
I'm staying here.
Good. Bye, bye, Jojo.
Bye-bye.